Okay, they're waiting for me to bring out... Are you waiting for me to bring out some peanuts, buddy? Huh? Are ya? Right there. Okay. I'll be out in a minute. Let me grab my stuff. Let me just grab my stuff, okay? Here we go. Oh, there's somebody else. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Hello. I'm coming. There's somebody back there too. Okay, I'm coming. I'm coming. Here we go. Oh my, are you just starving for peanuts, huh? Are you just starving for peanuts? Come on, let's go over here. Let's go over here. Okay. Okay, let's get you stuff. Okay, buddies. You're funny. You're funny. Hello. Let's get you a nice big one, okay? Get you a nice big one. Oh boy. Oh boy. There you go. Ah, there you go, buddy. That's funny, you run away as soon as you get it. You coming to get one? Come on. Come on, bud. Come on, buddy. It's a little boy, huh? You're not going to take it from my hand, though, I don't think, huh? I don't think so. That's okay. Hi. Here you go. There you go. Oh, boy. Thank you, Nance. Thank you. And then here's this. Oh, they're going to sit up there and eat. Blue jays are coming around. There's somebody sitting there eating, right, buddy? Is that delicious? Now you're going to sit there? Okay. Okay. Let's throw a few peanuts for the blue jays. There you go. There you go. You get that? Did somebody get that? There you go. You got it, buddy. You got it, buddy. Ah, there's somebody back there on the table looking for stuff. Hi. Hi, your friend's already got some. Hi. Come on over. Come on over. I got a big one for ya. Hi. Hi, sweetie. Hi. There you go. Thank you, Nance. Thank you, Nance. Okay, that's enough.